Hey, it's Mark. Well, it's the middle of summer and it's really hot out. The air conditioning in my old Nissan, it's turning on. It's making it a little cool, but it's just not cutting it. So I'm going to try adding some Freon and let's see what happens. Okay, so we're under the hood, and one of the first things you need to make sure of is the type of refrigerant that your car uses. Over the years, there have been several different types. And under the hood, you'll find usually some kind of label to tell you. Hopefully that is clear, but this car uses R134A refrigerant. You can also do an internet search and that'll help. And these are the items that I'm using today. The AC Pro recharge kit and the can of refrigerant. Both are R134A, as you see. And this is compatible with R134A cans. You want to make sure you buy the correct ones for the type of refrigerant that your car uses. I'll leave a link in the description for these two, but you need to order the correct ones. So make sure you use the right ones for the Freon that you have. Let me open up these packages and we'll continue. So this is what the charging kit looks like. It's a gauge with a coupler on it and a hose. And the idea is to find the charging port on your car. On the air conditioner, there are two metal lines, and the charging port is usually the larger line, and it has a cap on it. Sometimes the cap even has L for low pressure, which is, I don't know if you can see that. But that is, that's where you charge it from. And this is just a push-on connector. You just push it on. And we're on. Okay. This kit, as I said, it's from AC Pro. They're not sponsoring me. They're not, I'm not affiliated with them at all. I just found this one and bought it with my own money. So it's the first time I'm using it. So we'll see what happens. The refrigerant screws onto the bottom. Okay. Next, I'll be starting the engine and showing you how to charge the system. After connecting the hose to the coupler, you'll want to start your car, let it warm up, and while it's idling, turn on your air conditioner and set it to as cold as it will go, and turn the fan all the way up. With the air conditioning running, you can see that the gauge is showing that the Freon is low. So according to the instructions that came with this kit, you shake the can, give it a short burst by pulling the trigger, and then while releasing the trigger, you look at the gauge. Then you turn it to the 3 o'clock position and you do the same thing. The idea is to get the needle to go up into the green area where it says filled, but they don't recommend going to the top of the green area. It won't be beneficial and won't make it any cooler inside the car, but you would run the risk of overcharging the system. So as soon as we get into the green range, we should be good. So here goes. I'm going to give it a shake. Give it a short burst. And release it. Do the same thing in this position. And it looks like it's starting to come up. Do the same thing at the 12 o'clock position. Okay, yeah. Once again at 3 o'clock. And you want to do this in short bursts. And we'll keep doing that until we get it into the green. Okay. All right, we're in the green. Okay. As tempting as it is to go further, we'll give that a shot. Just going to feel the air coming out of the vents inside the car, and if everything is okay, I'll be shutting it off and disconnecting this. It's definitely coming out much cooler now. That made a big difference, and it didn't even seem like it took too much Freon. Great, that's excellent. Okay, I'm going to turn the air conditioning off and turn off the engine and disconnect the hose from the air conditioner. To disconnect the coupler, you just pull up on this ring on the bottom, and easy as that, it comes off. And we'll just replace the little dust cap. And I'll be saving this for the future, just in case I need it. So that worked out well. The car gets much cooler inside now, and the kit was very easy to use. The instructions were clear, and I definitely feel it's something that you can do at home if your air conditioner is working and just not getting cool enough. Of course, if it's not working at all, there might be a more major problem going on that you need to have looked at by a professional. But for just adding a little Freon to the system, you certainly can do that yourself. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you found it helpful. If so, give it a like, and check my channel out. I do all kinds of different things, all various different interests. So if anything resonates with you, why not subscribe? Thanks for watching today. Talk to you soon.